Now the cases are adjourned for few cases. Serial number 2, the State of Bihar versus the Tilka Manji Bhagalpur University for the appellant Sri Sasi Sekhar Tiwari.
My lord,
State
my lord,
appeal.
yes, my lord. Unfortunately, my lord, this case was conducted by the earlier counsel, Mr. Ashutosh Ranjan Pandey, my lord. And after his sad demise, my lord, he is no more right now. The matter of his office has been entrusted to me, my lord. I am Additional Advocate General number 13, my lord. And my lord, therefore, my lord, just today his
The
junior
direction was to the university, Mr. Singh.
Ji.
Direction was to the university. After 3 years, you moved before this court. The state was not the party.
No, no, my lord. State has filed the appeal, my lord, as I am informed, my lord, and the state government has to release grants, my lord, so for payment of the university teachers and non-teaching staff and teaching staff, my lord. Therefore, the state has a say in this matter.
2018 order, the university must have taken a decision, communicated to you.
No, how the state is agreed?
You should act
My
on
lord,
that.
state has
is
to
not agreed.
release.
Is there any
State has
direction?
to release the grants, my lord.
Is there any direction to fifth respondent? The state? Show me.
My lord, let me put one more fact, my lord. There are
Sir,
more.
you have an interaction with the fifth respondent.
My lord, I am also a judgment, my lord, where the single judge has stated, my lord, that state is here to grant release, my lord, and state has a say in the matter, my lord. And
Have you
near
filed
about
L-
more than 100 of the cases has been, my lord, tagged, of this nature has been tagged, my lord.
1 second. Have you filed LPA in CWJC 17670?
Yes, yes, it already listed more than 100 of cases, my lord.
Show me which is that appeal.
इसको बढ़ाइए. And my lord, on Friday, my lord, my learned friend was appearing before your lordships, my lord, and due to some confusion, my lord, and ill assistance to your lordship, my lord, the matter was withdrawn, my lord. When my lord has put some cost, my lord, in in the state of anxiety, my lord, he withdrawn that case, my lord.
2018 order, whether university has passed any order and communicated to you.
So you want me to make research, is it? In finding
No,
out a
I'm
repetition number?
just indicating.
This is
to,
not fair. You are not assisting
no,
properly.
रुकिए यार. I'm just indicating, my lord, that similar nature of cases, my lord, are being tagged.
That means you have not filed a LPA against 1760670 or not?
Yes, my lord, as per instruction, my lord, that is filed, my lord.
Where is that number? LPA?
That is the first case, my lord.
No.
The one CWJC LPA number 1556 of 2018. My lord.
What happened to this?
That all are pending, my lord. More than 100 of writ petitions.
Sir, your scope is very limited. What was the direction given by the learned single judge? Fifth respondent to consider. That's all. If the fifth respondent consider after consultation of the government, then you can always advise.
May I humbly request your lordship, lord, that this matter may also be tagged with this appeals,
No.
lord. Lord, because similar one
Yes,
matter will decide.
we'll record it. We'll record it.
Mr. Singh,
Lord,
Your
one matter
submission
will,
will be recorded.
decide the fate of all the matters, my lord.
the decision of the university can always be considered by you, accepted
And
or rejected. The order was passed in 2018. University must have taken a decision.
Lord,
and
there was a
communicated to you.
direction in the CWJC, lord, that if the post was sanctioned and now available on
You
account
should have
of
preferred a review before this court.
Yes.
You were party in this case. You should have preferred that if you didn't file a counter affidavit in this case, the copies must have been served upon you. You didn't choose to prefer
Lord,
review.
it may be adjourned.
And it's such an important matter. You took 3
Lord,
years.
I'll provide
2 years
assistance to
and
your
some
lordship,
months
Lord. I'll
file
try
this
to
appeal.
provide and persuade your lordship, Lord. Some time may be given,
Sorry,
me, Lord.
we'll
I
not-
have not gone through the brief,
We
Lord.
will not give. Yes, take down.
At least you should have brought the
instant
decision
appeal.
taken by the university.
Lord, I have not gone through.
Appellant state have questioned the validity of the order dated 10/10/2018 passed in CWJC 15778 of 2018. There is a delay of about 2 years, 18 months and few days. 2 years, 2 months, 18 days. The reasons are not satisfied for the reasons that, as usual, the file was passed from one desk to another desk, and further from one department to another department. List of Apex Court in the following two decisions held that if there is a belated appeal on behalf of the state, sufficient cause must be shown to condone the delay. Full stop. Next paragraph. The state appellant is not affected by the single judge's order dated 10/10/2018. Order reads as under. The aforesaid direction is to the fifth respondent, the registrar, Tilaka, Manji, Bhagalpur University, Bhagalpur.
Lord, the state
If
has
the
been directed
state
to
is
provide funds, my lord.
If the state is affected in any manner in the light of the aforesaid directions of the learned single judge, one can understand that LPA is maintainable. Full stop. On the other hand, direction A2 is to fifth respondent to consider the case of the petitioners Sunita Mishra for absorption and grant of consequential benefits. In this regard, if the state is likely to be affected in future relating to funding any monetary issues to the university, in that event the state must have interaction with the fifth respondent university, and the same cannot be adjudicated in the present LPA for the reasons that learned single judge has only directed the fifth respondent to consider the case of the respondent Sunita Mishra in the light of earlier decision of this court passed in 17670 for 2017. Full stop. At this juncture, learned counsel for the appellant submitted that an appeal has been preferred and it is numbered as 1556 of 2018 and it is pending consideration. Full stop. Even assuming that in CWJC 17670 of 2017, if there are any certain direction to the state, in that event the present appeal could be distinguished for the reasons that the learned single judge in the present matter has directed the fifth respondent to consider the grievance of the respondent Sunita Mishra, and there are no directions to the state. In the light of these facts and circumstances, both on the ground of delay as well as maintainability of the present appeal by the state of Bihar, appeal stands dismissed.
Since you have to grant aid, you can always take a different view once the order is communicated to you. The Principal Secretary Director Higher Education can always take a decision in the matter.
Court must list all these cases by tomorrow or day after.
Lord, in the online proceedings, my lord, two matters have been, Lord, has been withdrawn, my lord.
Huh? Withdrawn?
Yes.
Withdrawn means what we can do?
The same order may be given,
Huh?
same order may be given in that case, my lord.
Now we have already signed the order.
That has not been pronounced, my lord. We have
But
checked
if it is not pronounced, move an application.
Obliged, my lord.
If it is open court dictation, how can you say that it is not pronounced? It is open dictation, no?
Lord,
There is
due
no
to
question
some
of pronouncement.
technical snag, my lord, there was some confusion, my lord. There was some technical
You make
snag.
an application for recalling our order.
Obliged, my lord.